Manage your TaxDome subscription. Your TaxDome subscription is seat-based, meaning each team member needs their own seat to access the platform. Understanding how to manage your seats, renewal dates, and billing helps you scale your firm efficiently. Your subscription cost depends on 3 factors: your pricing plan, your billing cycle, and the number and type of seats you purchase. TaxDome offers 3 types of seats. Full-term seats align with your firm's billing cycle of 1, 2, or 3 years. Monthly seats, available on the Pro plan, renew every 30 days from purchase. Seasonal seats, available on the Business plan, renew every 4 months. You can combine different seat types to match your staffing needs. All full-term seats in your firm share the same renewal date, creating a unified billing cycle. Monthly and seasonal seats operate on separate renewal cycles based on their purchase dates. When you need to add additional seats for your team members, navigate to the Teams and Plans page and select Manage Seats. Adjust the number of seats you need for each seat type. When you add seats, they automatically align to the renewal date of existing seats of the same type. You'll pay a prorated amount based on the time remaining until that renewal date. Review the cost summary showing your next renewal amount, then complete the upgrade. You can also upgrade your billing cycle at any time to save on a multi-year subscription. Choose your desired term and review the cost. Upgrading adds years to your current subscription and extends your renewal date accordingly. You can always review your subscription details. Here you'll see your current plan, seat allocation, your billing cycle, and renewal dates.